Adding a credit card to Samsung Pay is a straightforward process that allows you to make payments easily and securely. Follow these steps to set up your card. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your Samsung device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Samsung account, sign in with your credentials. If not, create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Access the Card Edition feature. Once you are logged in, tap on the Add Card option. This is usually found on the main screen or in the menu. Step 4. Enter card information. You can either scan your card using your device's camera or enter the card details manually. Fill in the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 5. Verify your card. After entering your card information, you may need to verify your card through your bank. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process, which may involve receiving a code via SMS or email. Once you have completed these steps, your credit card will be added to Samsung Pay and you can start using it for transactions. Enjoy the convenience of mobile payments.